Hi, are you ready to heal? Would you like to have more clarity about who you are and why you're here? Do you want to quiet your mind, calm the emotions so you feel more peaceful within? There are a lot of things going on, a lot of change happening in our environment right now, and it can be a bit overwhelming. So, I want to invite you to try something that I have used that helped me to heal from depression, to have a better sense of purpose, and to really do the work that I'm meant to do. I'm Linda Bertaut. I'm a chakra psychic, Reiki master teacher, and award winning esthetician. I mentor those who are broken to heal from depression and anxiety and become healers themselves with my Heal the Healer method. And the best way I know to do these things, to heal and to have more confidence, is to practice Reiki. And my Reiki 30-day challenge is a wonderful way for you to work with me weekly for the next month, and then you're also going to be in the midst of like-hearted people who are also healing themselves. And it's a really nice environment. So each week, we're going to have a Zoom session where I'll spend time with you, teaching you the different aspects of how to heal yourself. You'll have a chance to share what's going on in your life, to ask questions, to get encouragement. And also, I have drawings for you guys to get a reading with me or with one of my students. So in the course, you're going to get downloads. You'll get downloads on how to perform Reiki on yourself. You also get the 30-day Reiki challenge chart, which is beautiful. This gives you a way to check off the different things that you might do each day. So between Reiki, meditation, your intentional prayer, journaling, all of these things are things you can do to help yourself within this next month. So if you're interested, you must be one of my Reiki students already. So if you've taken either an online course or an in-person course with me since I started teaching in 2001, you're good to go. If you haven't taken a Reiki class from me, I have a special deal for you. Go to the link below. You can learn more about the class, and you'll actually get $20 off the course. And then you're going to be good to come and be a part of the 30-day challenge with us. Now, the 30-day challenge, you also get other downloads. You're going to get MP3s for a self-guided treatment. You're going to get my breath of light meditation. You're also going to get my seated, it's a meditation and Reiki treatment. It's really nice because it's got composed music by James Anthony Cotton, and you can listen to the meditation while you're doing a 22-minute self-Reiki treatment on yourself. So you're going to have all the tools you need to be successful in this 30-day challenge. So please join me. I'd love to see you, and bye for now.